Hello and welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. We've been doing this for hundreds of weeks now. We hope you enjoy seeing the behind the scenes here at Blackout. We'll start at LATROBE in the window tint bay. We've got Terrell working on finishing up actually this Buick. It got tint all the way around, including the windshield with our clear UV and heat rejecting film. It's called our xpel XR Plus. Over here we've got two vinyl wraps going on. Seems to be the norm anymore. This one is going from black to like a Nardo gray color. This is the 3M High Gloss series, which we've started to use a lot of. It looks about as close to paint as you can get on a vinyl finish at the moment. So really happy with that product. And beside that is a McLaren 570S going from orange to blue. It's a tech wrap color. Lots of disassembly has to happen in order for a wrap to look good. Covering up orange is very challenging. You've got to make sure it's pretty perfect. Beside that is a GT500. I think this is an 07. Cool cars. We did a polish. It's getting a ceramic coating. Paint looks pretty much like new for almost 20 years old. Speaking of 20 years old, we've got a Lamborghini Gallardo on the lift. Max is currently installing some PPF. We did a front end and the rocker panels on this one. And at the front of the bay is a King Ranch Super Duty. This one got PPF on the front end and rocker panels as well. And I believe it's next up for a coating. And it looks like we tinted the windows. Behind that, we have a trailer. This trailer was really, really old with graphics on it that had basically completely eaten the finish off. Those all had to come off, which was a nightmare. And then we needed to make it look good again. So it's got black PPF from xpel on there. Makes it look almost like paint. You can still see some of the imperfections underneath it, but it's the best we could do with the condition of the surface. Aaron is currently installing PPF on the hood of a C8 Corvette. I think this was the one that it took damage, right? The film did, but it saved the paint. Excellent. It did its job. Then there's a Bronco, the Badlands edition, that got a polish and coatings is going down right now. In the wash bay, we have a C6 Corvette. It's getting a polish and a coating. It also got window tint. Outside, we've got a C8 Corvette. This one dropped off yesterday for paint protection film. I think this is getting the track pack, so full front end and rockers. JM is just doing our check-in process on that now. Beside that is a Ram here for its annual ceramic inspection. This Toyota Tundra got paint protection film installed on the front end, and now it's next up for ceramic. So that'll get in the wash bay soon to get fully prepped for that, and then the polishing begins. Another heavy-duty Ram, this one for PPF on the front bumper. This BMW 330i is here for a cleanup. We hired a new guy, Zach. He's got an Audi on rotiforms. So you know he's going to fit right in. Then we have a Prius that came to us, I think, from a body shop. It's previously had paint protection film installed on it, and we installed new film. Beside that is a aftermarket wide body Challenger. We're going to be doing a vinyl wrap on this Challenger. And up front, we've got a Corvette Z06, full wrap, ceramic coating, beautiful car. It's got the Z07 package. And my old 911, she's back. She lives. Love this thing. This was in the shop for a little while, and it's running okay now. So we're not going to check in with Gibsonia because they have no power. Luke recorded yesterday when we did have power, so thanks for doing that, Luke.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up front in the showroom, we have a Porsche 911. This was in the shop last year for a full front clip paint protection film, along with the ceramic coating. It's back in the shop this year for its annual maintenance checkup. Next up is a very neat vehicle. This is a Volvo EX30. This got a full front clip PPF along with full doors and the rear impacts. It's all wrapped up and ready to go home. Outside we have a Honda Civic. This was in for our Prime CS 20% tint on the side windows and the back window. Next up, we got a couple of vehicles in for some protection. First up is our Porsche Macan in from Swickley Car Store, getting full front paint protection film. Next to the Porsche is a Ford Bronco Raptor in for a full paint correction and a 4-year ceramic coating. We are also tinting the 2 front windows on the Bronco and 20% to match the factory tint. Over in the coating bay, we got Mark doing his thing on this new Charger EV. This was in the shop about a week ago for some window tint, and it's back in for a full paint correction and a 4-year coating. In the tint bay is a Volvo V60 Polestar. This is getting our Prime XR 70% tint on the side windows and the back window. This had a coating applied to it last year along with full front paint protection film. We are also doing the annual checkup on it this week. Also in the tint bay is a Cybertruck. We just tinted these 2 front windows in 20% to match the factory tint, and it's next up for some paint protection film. We're doing xpel's new Statin Black paint protection film on the entire vehicle. In the wash bay, we got Connor doing some work on this Jeep Wrangler. It's in for a hand wash. Up on the lift, we got a Porsche Cayenne, also from Swickley Car Store. We got Stephen Austin doing a full front clip package on this. Another full wrap of the week is this Mercedes GLC 300. This is getting full body paint protection film wrap. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll catch you guys back here next week.